Hello, 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 everyone. Hello. Okay, so let me test my mic first. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, so my voice is clear and it is good. So we don't know. Okay, so let's start. Uh, so hi guys, welcome to my stream. This is the part 4 of the student management system. And what I will be doing today, I will be creating a CRUD operation for course management. And if someone has watched my initial stream, it was yesterday. I have basically made that video private because that stream was little bit useless because in that stream I was wasting my time to just uh, remove issues, resolve some issues regarding the model pop-up thing, but it has been resolved. So we will be jumping on the main stuff, and that is core CRUD operation. And after that we will be adding some more extra layers and features for to complete the base project for the student management system. And after this stream, I will be discussing regarding the extensions and the features that will be adding to make this project as like a production level application. So we can sell this project to the client also, and we will do that also. Okay. Oh, so what we will be doing? Okay, so today we will be completing the base project, base code or base features for the student management system, and after that we will be discussing about the features that we will be adding, which make this application complex and making it ready for the production level. After that, completing the production level application, we will be selling this product to the client also. So we will be doing basically a lot of stuff. So let's get started. We don't want to waste any more time. We have less time, bro. We have to complete this today. Okay, so this is the website. This part is covered. This part is not covered. So what I will do, I will be copy pasting every code and everything from the student because the layout will be similar. So I will be copy pasting that, and further down the road I will explain everything to you. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's go inside the course. So we have created a course view here, if you can see. Yep, we have created that. What we will be doing, we will be adding course feature. So let's get into. So let's go inside the student view, and I will be copying this template because I will be using the same template that I'm using here. Copying this, pasting it here. Okay, this. So this part is showing here. I think there will be more issues here. So let's resolve all this first. So let me first import the components that we are using inside this. So import table comp, and uh, import from go components slash uh, sorry, it is table comp dot okay, so it looks okay here. We have imported the table comp. What we need student store. So basically we are using core store, so we need the core store to import here. So what I will do, I will make this student window here side by side. Okay, so we will be using unmounted. So let's see. uh, okay, and unmounted needs, I don't know why, but the auto completion is not working, so I have to import everything in manual. Import mounted from okay, so this is right, correct, right? So yeah, okay, this part is done. We have mounted this. Let's import student store here. Import use code store. I think the name is right. Let me check. Go inside the code store. Yep, it is same name. So paste it here. Import it from at the rate slash stores slash code store. Okay, we have imported this also. Use course store, and yep, this part is done. Okay, so we have imported core store, we have imported the table comp, we have imported on mounted that we will be using, and one more thing we have to import, and the import is router. Okay, okay, so let's import the new routes. Let me check one thing here. Stop the server. Here. Okay. I think I have to disable this. This is creating an issue. Definition. Here, the symbol, it's not changing. I think this looks good. I hope work because yeah. So routes is there, on mounted there, use course is there, Do we need any more stuff? Yep, we need one more thing. Import new router. You. I think something is not right because why it is not detecting? Mhm. Okay, so survival mode. Okay, this looks okay. This is a bit of sponsor. Okay, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, let me restart everything. That would be better. And close this. And restore again because it is not working properly. There's some issue, so I have to restart everything. So everything looks fine here. I think designation is working. So okay, what I'll do? Let's go inside the comms. Uh, Force store. Use force store. Uh, router. Router here. Okay. What I will do? I will copy this portion. Uh-huh. Open this. Come here. Open folder. Open window. Okay, so this column list. Column list is there. What I want more, we have to edit course data and delete course data. Go to and post page. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask. Edit post page. Also, So we will be pushing it to the routes dot add course dot path. Okay, and inside this router dot push. I think I will use this thing. Instead of pushing only ID, I will push whole detail rather than whole data, and it will populate the form by default. Okay, I will do that. So what I will do, let's go inside. Okay, for right now, let's do this. Let's implement it like this. Pass it ID, and after that we will do routes dot path. We can do that thing later because it will take even more time, and we don't basically want to waste that time. Just want to change the small thing. We can do that thing later. It is not very important right now. Okay, so yep. So this part is done. Go to add course and edit course. Inside this, go to add course page. Okay, go to edit course. Okay, we are deleting nothing as of right now. Columns, data, data store, student data, data, blah, blah, blah. We added this, add quotes. We have added this, refresh. What we will do, we will use course store dot get list of students. Okay, go ahead. Okay, let's go inside here. Create course, update course, delete course, get list of course. Okay, so get list of courses, update course, delete course, blah blah blah. Okay, so what I'll do is come here, paste it. Okay, what I will be doing, app status will be same. We are not changing this. One more thing, we have to import the loader rules. If we haven't imported that, yeah. So we have imported the loader here. Loader is here. Instead of change it to process. Process, dev, and everything. Reflects. Get list of students, but we don't need that. We need get list of courses here. Instead of student store, here is a course store, not student store. Let's here list it. Student data, but we don't need student data here. We need course data, and the course data is ref. I think we haven't changed some things. What I will do, I will print the response. Console. Okay, copy. And go here, press it here. We'll be needing a response to check the incoming responses. And yep, response is here also. Response, response here. Okay, so for this we have to do one, and that is source data, and the source data will be source data dot value. Value here, until this transform this. Instead of here we will do this. We don't need this. We don't need this. I think we have already added the API status, so we don't need that. This also. I think we haven't added this in here. We go here. Other things we are even missing. Okay. So we have to define type first. What I will do, let's define the type. So it will be of type reference array into sub. So we are using multi-dimensional array because a 2D array to basically we are displaying all this data in the table. So we import what we are importing here. We are importing view. Okay. Graph array inside the array. Any. Okay, so it will be of type any because we are using multiple data types inside the array. Yep. So what I will be doing here, I'm basically typing because for my own benefit, because I want to keep all this thing remember. So guys, I also suggest that you should also type while coding instead of doing copy pasting, because copy pasting, you use copy pasting when you have some type of deadline to submit that project or something that in which you need less time, you have less time and you have to complete something, then copy paste makes some valid reason. Then basically it is a valid reason to copy paste at that time, but when you are learning something, I don't suggest that you should copy paste. Okay. Status. Okay, so parent type here is form data because we will be needing form data here. I think we have into keys. We are not sending any form data. Do we? Yes, we are. Let me close this. We don't need this. We have the param or type form data. Param or type form data. Okay. And camel case, we are following the same location. Guys, if you have any question, you can ask. No issue. You are free to ask anything. And one more thing, I will be keep saying this again and again in this stream and in another stream also. And basically is that I have created a form and I have pasted that link in the description. And in that form, basically, you can mention your project that you want me to create for you, and I will create that. So if you like me to create something that you want, or have been thinking but you don't know how to create that project, you can comment me, or you can do one more thing. The best thing is that click on the form link, fill the project on every details that you want, and bada boom bada boom. Okay, I will check the form, I will make a list of all the projects that have been requested, and I will start working on that. Okay, so if you have any project that you in the mind that you want me to create, and in which tech stack you want me to create that, or the important features that you want to specifically you want me to create, you can go to the description box, click on the link. Inside the description, there is a form link. Click on that, fill the form, and I will check it. Okay. So I will keep repeating this thing again and again. So yeah, I think I will be irritating you guys. Status. I think we don't have much time, so let me complete everything. We have to complete this CRUD everything in this system. We don't want to waste any more time. Okay, so yep, form data is there. What I'm doing. I need to copy this to this. Unknown. Okay, so unknown is there. Error while creating a course data. Error. Response. Form data. API status. Saving status. API status. Dot loading. Data headers. Token. Okay, so we don't need anything here. This looks fine. Let's come here. Complete this. Okay. Change it to one more. Okay, so that. Okay, so this looks fine. Do we need form data here also? Yep, we need form data. We also need student ID, and we need form data also. form data. Student ID. Delete ID. This part is done. I think, yep. Saving status is used for here, creating and updating codes. And for deleting codes, you will be using deleting status. Let's go here. Delete status. Delete status here. And it will be a no. It's ready for this. Ready passing. Okay. For this, basically, we need one more thing here. And that stuff is this. Let me copy this. Paste it here. And yep. This ID, thumbnail, title, description, delete and edit. Course data, the value was API courses, and we need here API data. I think this should work because this part is covered. We have already covered all this. Okay, state of course data is already passed here. It is a reference value, so yeah. Reactive, so API status, another thing. Form data. Let me do one thing here. Let's provide the type definition. The param is of type number. It is of type number, right? Okay, so we are using this. Number. Student ID. So there is two params basically. One is our student ID and another is what you say, form data. Okay, so we have passed this, updated the course, the sync functions, everything. Let's add param here. Student ID is of type number. Okay, let's add param here. So we don't need param here. Yep, so we have completed this part. I think there is nothing we have to check. So yep, so in this part. What I will do one more thing. I will create a model here and it will be course model. Model.js, and the course model will be similar to this. So let's create a class. So then you have to type empty. Type definition. The type definition is okay. Model. Another will be at the rate property. Right. Number. Number. So what are the things that we need for this? Let me check one. Go inside the Google console. Go inside here. Run the server. Okay. Slash activate. Okay, so we have run this. We are not checking 3000, we are checking 8000. So inside the codes, we need ID, title, description, thumbnail. ID, title, description, thumbnail. So this is same. I think we are already passing here also. If I check, which is ID, thumbnail, title, description. It is. The constructor parameter will be, I think it will be of type partial, because we are not sending complete data to model. We don't need post model. So this ID ID. Okay. This will be of type null. This will be of type. It will be of type string. You can say. Okay, let me delete it. Let's copy it. I think paste it. Paste it. And we need one more thing, and which is image file. That will be of type file. Okay. This dot image file null. Okay, so image file will be null here. Title. Title is not there. We will be passing empty string. description. Thumbnail. Okay, so we have added ID, thumbnail, description, title, and image file. So we have added all these things together. We completed this. This, this. What I will do, I will define everything. Just the ID. Okay. Let's just copy this. Okay, so this will be thumbnail. This will be title. This will be description. Okay. So ID, thumbnail, title, description, and file, image file. You can say image is of file. This will be our file string. Okay, so it will be the string. Thumbnail will also be in the string, and image null everything. Everything looks fine here. We have created a constructor. We have added the property also. And what I will do, I will be doing this. I will just copy this instead of typing anything to that. So it will return a type course model. Course model. Okay, this looks fine. Course model, form data. So it needs we need title, description, and what we need? So we need thumbnail, title, description. Okay. Let's just copy here, go here, sit here, copy this portion. Thumbnail, title, description. Okay. Image file. It will be title. It will be description. Yep. So we have completed this part. We have created a model also. So this part is done. Model is done. Component is done. I think we have added the course view also. So I think yep. So this will also complete, but we have to do one more thing here. Instead of course data, we have to go here inside the course store, and we have to copy this course data because we are course using course data, not course student data. So come here, paste it here, and go edit session, delete it, add course, refresh the course list, course. Okay, so let's check whether it is working or not. One more thing. Inside the course add view, what I will do, I will do the same thing. Mm, Oh, okay, so we do this. We will be copying the same stuff here. I will be copying this here, pasting it here. Okay, we will be using course data. So course data is here, I think. So we will be using course data, not course model. Course model. It will be of type course model. Okay, so we are fetching default function which returns the course model default value instance. Basically it returns an object, course model object, and I will be doing something here, and that will be course converting because we are using course data here. So I have pre-created everything, the template part. I don't want to explain the template thing because it is just a simple input and output, input and text area and label form. So you already know that it's a very basic thing. Okay, so the course model is imported here. We will be using course store, not student store. We use course store, use model store. So we will be using model store here. Model font, model, everything. So instead of pulse loader, we will be adding loader here, and yeah, on file change, this is already there. Okay, so this part is done, this part is also covered. There's something else that is missing. We have to add a save course function. Change its name to save course. File change, model store. Okay, so we are using course store, not student store here. So import it here, copy this, change it to the course store, and change it to this use tools. Okay, and model store we are already using, so we don't need to change that. Okay, so I think we have pretty much added the form also. Pursue. I think basic part is covered, so we have to test it, and then we will add functionalities to the form so that it can create and update the form also, update the data, okay, in the backend. So let's run the view project. Okay, run that. Questions? Okay, so there is some error. Okay, let's check. So API status is undefined. Where? Code store.api status, API status. Are we loading API status? I think we are not. Yeah, we are not loading it. I will copy this, paste it here. Let me check it again. Some error is happened. XCS is not defined, so we haven't defined XCS. We have to define XCS also. Let me go inside the code store. Let's define XCS here. Oh, yep, we have XCS. This. Okay, so some error is happening here. The transform student is here. So it is happening where? Ah, okay. So, guys, I was basically thinking that suppose if there is no error checks happen in the backend side, if the basically compiler or the browser doesn't do any error checks and any static checks, what will happen? Have you think about that? Basically, it will be a nightmare to solve the or debug anything. Okay, so there are some more error. The resource is blocked by open response blocking. Please check browser sensitivity. Okay, so what it should be. Not oh, okay. Okay, okay, so if I go inside the course view and go inside the table comp, and as you can see, uh, 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 okay. So it is image or thumbnail. We are checking for the image and thumbnail here. Person title, profile image. I think we don't have any profile. Let's come inside here. Inside what is it basically? Is there any default? Ah, yeah, we have added default here, but we don't have anywhere else. So let's just copy this. Ah, no, we don't need this. So, okay. What we will do? We will. I don't know why okay, so just type 3 here, enter here, and what I will do, I will be putting the option, I will be updating this. Let me change. I think if I update this again, I think this will work. Oh, okay, so it is working. So suppose if I have to add one more thing, let me go inside the direct API. Let me add view face. Okay, and description is this. You will run changes. Okay, so in this you will learn Vue.js framework, and what I will do, I will check for, I will browse Vue.js. Let me download Vue.js something. No, why should I be downloading Vue.js? I can get directly from that. It's can we use SVG? I think we can use SVG. Valid image. The file you uploaded is an or hyperlink image. I think it. I think we have successfully posted it here. Let's go here, click on refresh, and yep, voila. As you can see, it is working. So this part is done. Let me delete this. No. Let's just first add. Okay, so this part is also working. So let me search for placeholder first. Okay. What I will do, I will use this placeholder. Okay, copy the image link, go here, inside the course model. What I will do, I will pass a default link. If you haven't passed the thumbnail, then it will pass a default link here, and that will be here. Let's check whether it is showing here. So you can see it is showing the image thumbnail. So the default image will shown like this if you haven't added any image. But yeah, so what I will do, first we have to go here. The model also is working. This part is also working. So let's add functionality to the form basically. so that we can create, update, and delete the courses and student. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so what I'm doing, model com, and inside the model component, model topic, we are passing title, and we are passing, I think, okay, so if there is some, okay, let me check one thing. Inside the main.js, we are using toast here, so what I will do, inside here, guys, this is second time I am saying, if you have any project or anything you want me to create, there is a form link in the description. You can fill that form and I will start working on that. Okay, so let's get back to if there is some error, then what I will do, I will pass those here, those dot here, fail to save student data. Okay, and same goes for this. Okay, fail to fetch the file. Okay. Down here. And this part is done, this part is red. Okay, so event or target implies and what I will do, I'll pass this file to the student data. Okay, this part is so it will be of type file. I think I'm defining a file purpose. Will be of type file. Okay, string data is a type string model. We'll pass it in. And what I will be doing, I will be passing store and inside the string store dot create student and update student. Okay, so create student and update student. Go inside here. Create student. Inside the create student, we are passing a form data. So what I will do here, form data equals to student data to form data. Okay, the form data will return a form data. Okay, I will pass the form data here. Form data here. It's an asynchronous thing. Sorry, it is. What I'll do, I have to check if it is editing or not. The same use route. Router. Okay. Check if it is edit is true. Suppose okay, and what I'll do, I'll pass in ID. Edit will be true if the student ID is not defined. It's not undefined. Okay, so we will be checking edit is true. So if is added true, so if added is true, then whatever we have to do, then we have to update it. And update student store update student. In this I will pass a form data, and yeah, so form data. Okay. Great. So after passing a form data, let's put this inside an else block, the create student part, and after that we will route back to the main screen. Back to student field. Okay, so route the router dot push. I think the push will be for routes. Let's import routes here. Let's dot path, and yeah, one more thing. Toast dot success. Saved successfully. Okay, so we have this. Let me do one more thing. And what it will be? It will be on mounted, and on mounted will call API status loading. I'll be pausing this thing and this. I will do one more here. Student store dot. I think if I go inside the student, and get a student. So get a student, we are using also created a function called get a student that will fetch a student for me and return me a student data, or you can say student model. Okay, I'm passing data here. So let's go inside here. Just answer paste here, get student, and we need student ID. To work this, we have to check whether the function is whether the we are in a editing mode or we are creating a new student. So is edit mode, and if we are not in edit mode, so just return okay. Let's check. Match. That's a number. So we have filled all the details. Let's click on the save, and as you can see, it is working. But yep, it is working. So something is not right. I think some. Okay, so we have already added the weight here. And we have already added. We don't need model count as of right now. We don't need that, but we will be needing. Okay. So what I will do, let's just copy this part and let's just add this. I think we don't have much time, so left. So we have to complete this first. So we will be using here use route and use router also. We are using toast here, so we will be using toast here also. Sorry, not this toast. Use toastification. So we will be needing both these two things, and let's just do one thing here. Create const route. Const router. Const toast equals to use toast. Okay, so we have used router, toast. What I will do one more thing. Instead of doing all this stuff, I will just copy paste it. I don't want to write everything from scratch. I will paste it here. Make it asynchronous. Do we need another? Yep, we will be needing this. Okay. Come here. Create mounted life cycle function. Okay. We have added this part. What I will do, instead of course store, we will change it to, instead of student store, I will be changing it to course store. Course data, model store. Yep. I think we don't need this. Let me comment this out. I think we don't need this here also. The student store I have done, added model, and this part is done. We don't need this. Okay, so this part is done. Go inside here. And the toast, course store. Something is here, but something is missing. So what I will do? Okay, so yep. Okay, okay. So cost course ID. Is that it is true when the course ID is there. So if it is undefined, then it is not. It will not be true. But if it is defined, then it will be. Okay. Now one more thing I haven't added here, and that is basically it is returning. It is returning student data. So what I'll do? It is not constant. It will be let. And what I'll do? Student data. So it will return an object called student model, and student data is also of same type, student model. So yeah. So this part is ID, course data, course store. That's all. It will be course data dot image file. This is the file here. Okay. Course data. Save successfully. Okay, I haven't imported the routes. So we are routing it to courses. Okay, so we need course store. Copy, paste, and here we are creating course. Let's just verify this. Okay, so the naming looks okay to me. Course data, this looks okay. This looks fine. Okay. Is there any function name get course? So there is no function name get course. Let's just stop with this because we will not write everything again and again. ID. Wow, we are using course ID here. Okay. First of all, we have to do one thing. So the course, so why we are using course? There is no student ID now. So we are passing form data here. This looks good. So we are passing also form data. This looks okay also. So we are passing course ID here. This looks okay. We are passing course ID here. Course ID, and it will be course fetch status. It will be courses. Okay. Course ID I have passed here. Basically, I'm not using course model. Okay. Course model. Error while deleting while matching. So this looks okay. Yep. This looks good. Okay, so this looks fine. This looks okay. Looks good for me. Let me go to this. Here in the person, we are passing inside, not student. If edit is false, then return it. Otherwise, if it is not, then fetch for the get course data. And the course data will not be a constant. It will be asynchronous function. Course data. Okay, so this part is done. I think we have added this part. Let's finish this. Let's check for edit first. Click on edit, and there's some. So what type of error we need? Oh, okay, so we are using Google Splash. Go inside the edit. The path is already slashed, so we don't need this. And go inside the course also, check for the same thing. Okay, so this part is covered. I hope this will work. Okay, let's just go inside here. Let's refresh it. Let's click on edit, and it is not filling this. Why? Okay, but why it is not filling? What I will do? For add student, when we are getting the student data inside the student data, when we get a student data, we are fetching. Okay, so we are basically fetching the data. So what I will do, in the student store API status, and the API status, let me check. We have to check one thing. API status. So inside the API status, there is a name called fetch status. Okay, I don't think we need this here, but which files. So there is an object. There is two. So inside the object, there is a saving status, fetch status, and delete status. So when we are fetching it, we have to show a loader for this. And when we are saving it, then we have to show. Okay, and we are saving status is updating on two instances. One it on create and another on update student. So what I will do, I will go inside the student form and I will check API status dot saving status. So inside the saving status, saving status is of status unknown or loading. Then show me the form. Okay, and copy, and if the loader okay, and if the student stored API status, which is called here, if it is fetching strings. If it is fetch status, right? So it is an object basically. So if the fetch status is of type loading, then yeah, we need this. And we have to do same thing inside here also. Inside the student view. Let's just refresh everything. So this is loading everything. I think the loading status is also showing. So this looks fine. Click on edit. And yep, it is not doing anything. Why? I don't know. Okay, but why it is not loading lines? Yes. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. Okay, let's inspect it. Yes, that it is true, so let's go here. We don't have much time, we have to complete this. Okay, so our student data is let's just console this. Console.log. Let's just refresh this. Inside the console, and we are building the simulation. Okay, it is doing, but why it is not updating the student data? So student data is okay. So basically student data is not a reactive variable, so we have to make this variable reactive. Okay, so can you make reactive I think that this. We can use wrap instead. So we are using some model inside the function. So we have to use React. Okay, so we have only 10 minutes. What I will do, as data, then object dot assign objects dot assign or object assign object assign what I will assign. I will be assigning student data as okay. So yep. So I think let me change it to 4, 5, 6. Save this. Save this form data. The form data is not defined. Okay. Yeah. Form data is not defined. Okay, so what I will do is go inside the course store, student store. We are using form data. Just copy this, paste it here, paste it here. Okay. Copy here, paste it here, paste it here. Go inside the student model.js. We are using form data. Okay, so this form data will be fine in this. Form data is not defined. Why? Why does it not define it? Okay. We don't need only form data. We need also a student ID also, right? Yeah, we need student ID. We not just need only form data. I think it is taking form data as an ID. So what I have to do, I have to pass form data here, and I have to do one more thing. I've done the same mistake here also, so I have to pass 4 side here, and one more thing I have to do. I have to make this course data reactive. And what I will do, instead of reassigning it here, const data, I will use object dot assign, and assign will take its data and speed. Okay, so yep, this part is also covered. So I think, okay, sure, this will be so let me change this to Part-4.2. Save it. Okay, so what I will do, I will go outside this and push up the thing. I will click on edit. Okay, so this seems are working. The past 6. I have it here. Save it. But I'm getting while updating this one. What is request? Response. That timer. That okay, so I think we have completed the base part, and there are some issues that I haven't resolved here. And if I check my streaming time, I have only 3 minutes left, so I don't think I will complete this thing today. But in the next stream, during the introduction, during the feature discussion and everything, I will be explaining all the code and I will be resolving this issue in that stream. So stay tuned with that. But let me check what I have done wrong. I have to just verify. So I have only 2 minutes left, almost 2 minutes left. So in the 2 minutes, I will just check what the errors basically is happening. And I basically know it is basically regarding the CSRF issue. So if I check here, foreign does not have partition attributes, blah blah blah. So we have to check this. So basically I have to check what type of error I am just getting. So what I will do, go inside the network. Okay, inside the network, just click on the edit here, and what I will do, I will just click on the save, and this save created some issue here. So let's check. So the response header is sending get put patch get delete head plus options. So we are sending all these requests, allowing access. So we are not facing any course issue as of right now, but I think there is some issue regarding the CSRF token. So let's check that. So there is an CSRF token that we are here, that is basically here, and there is a cookie that I am sending. Basically the cookie is regarding the CSRF token. So let me check the header that I have sent. It is an XCSRF token, and inside the CSR I am just getting the CSRF token from the cookie basically. And the content type is, you already know, it is form data. We are sending a form data, so yep. Okay, so what I will do here, let me check. Force same origin, blah blah blah. Cookies, this is the cookie, this is a request. So request payload, form data, roll number, and yep, everything. Send here, profile pic, name, blah blah blah. Response is this: the submitted data was not a file. Check the encoding type of the form data. Oh, okay. So we have to send a profile pic, right? I think. So what I will do, I will pass this profile pic. I will change it to 456 and just save it. And it is working. So basically, it's not a CSRF issue. It is basically I have set. I haven't made the profile pic nullable. I have restricted it because I have set it required. So that's why it is rejecting the request. So we have to pass a profile pic or image of the student uh, for updating when we are updating or when we are saving the student data. Okay, so we have to change that to the default nullable value because profile pic cannot be uploaded. So it is an optional value field. It should not be an important field. It should be an optional field. So I want to make that optional field. We will do that thing uh, after feature planning and everything, but I think we have completed everything in the course part. We have also completed in the student part. We have also completed. We have also already added the home. And what I will do, I will push this code to the main branch. So let me do this. So what I will do, I will exit out from here. Okay. Okay, so share. So what I will do, let me check one thing here. Inside the, let me go to the GitHub. GitHub.com. Inside the GitHub.com, you can go here, and what I will do, inside the Gmos, repositories. This is a repository we are talking. So this repository called Student Management System. I have already added the details that how you can install it and everything. But what I will do, I will copy the code here. Okay. And what I will do, I will come here. Okay, and what I will do, get init. We get init, get add. Okay, so get add. Let's clear out. Get branch. So there are two. I think there is no branch. So let me add the branch dash m main, but it is not a main branch. So I have to change this branch. Let me check the branch list. Get branch base code. Not a valid object. Branch dash m base dash code. Okay, and inside the base code, get commit dash m base code. Okay, so we have successfully committed the project. Let's get remote and region paste, get push dash u origin Okay, so there is a branch named base code, and if you want to fetch the base code, you can fetch from this branch. Okay, so I will be adding the base code here, and the next version will be added after this. There will be a separate branch for the next version, that will be the production level app. And in the meantime, you can play around this code. Okay, so I have added both front end and back end code together. So front end, you already know it is Vue.js, and for the back end it is Django framework. So I'm using basically a Django for that. In later project in later streams, I will be creating mobile app, and for that code I will be adding that code in the same repository, so don't worry about that. So in the next stream, we will be discussing about the features, what will be the feature that we will be adding, what will be the name of the site, what will be the name of the project basically, and how we will carry this project, everything, what will be the design structure and everything. Okay, so we will be discussing that in the next stream in great detail. So before that, you can check this code. I have already pushed this code in the branch. You can check it from here in the base thing. Let me refresh this. In the base code, you can check this. Okay, backend and front end I've already added. Okay, and for backend I have already provided the requirement.txt file. You can use this file to install all the packages. Okay, so I hope you have a great day. In the meantime, I will catch you later. After this stream, I will start another stream, and that will be regarding, not right now, but after some point of time I will be starting another stream, and that will be related to the feature discussion about the project, how we will take this project in the till the production, and how we will host this project, and what are the things, and how we will sell this to client. Okay, so one more thing. So regarding the project request, I have already added the link in the description. You can click on the link, fill the form, and I will check that. Okay, so hope you have a great time with me, and I will see you soon.